welcome to day 12 of December Doodles with Catherine. Today we're going to be drawing mittens. To start with, we need to draw an arch shape. If you're finding it hard to draw an arch shape straight off, lightly draw a circle. Then starting with a line right across the centre of the circle, we're going to draw a rectangle that is the same diameter as our circle. The diameter is the distance across the circle going through the central point. The bottom of your rectangle needs to be lower than the bottom of your circle. Then just rub out the inside lines, like this. Excellent! You've drawn an arch shape. This is going to be the main part of our mitten. Next, you need to decide which side you want your thumb to be on. We're going to do right hand here. So the thumb will be on the left. We're going to draw a small circle halfway up the arch, just off to the side. And then we're going to join up those two bits with another rectangle that goes through the centre of the thumb circle and joins the edge of the arch at the bottom, like this. Ta-da! You've drawn a mitten. If you want your mitten to be a bit longer, you can add a warm, fluffy wristband with a rectangle. Let's curve the corners to make our mitten look nice and soft and cosy. To do the other hand, you do exactly the same, but put the thumb on the other side, like this. Ta-da! You've drawn a pair of mittens. I hope you enjoyed creating those. Keep your pictures safe so you can come back to them later on in December Doodles. See you tomorrow.